3 fruits sitting in your kitchen right now are destroying your performance after 60. And I can prove it with 47 men who made one simple change and got their lives back in 90 days. But if you ate breakfast this morning, you probably already made the first mistake. And your next grocery trip will either save you or keep you stuck. Now look, I'm not your doctor. This is educational content. Consult your physician. Done. Let's fix this. Real quick, subscribe so you never miss these tips. At our age, we can't afford to skip the information that actually works. Here's what the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know. They made $11 billion last year selling you pills. But Harvard Medical School tracked 25,000 men for 10 years and found that men who ate specific fruits had 40% lower risk of performance issues. 40% that no pills. No prescriptions, just food. So why isn't your doctor telling you this? Because there's no money in a watermelon. Let me show you the 3 fruits that can change everything. Starting with the most powerful one, watermelon. And I know what you're thinking. Watermelon, really? That's your big solution? Stay with me. James is 61. Former college athlete. Still hits the gym 4 times a week. Looks better than most guys his age. But 2 years ago, everything stopped working. He tried the pills. Sometimes they worked. Sometimes he got terrible headaches, vision problems, felt like his heart was going to explode. His doctor kept increasing the dose. James kept getting sicker. He called me at 2 a.m. one night. Desperate, crying. Told me he couldn't live like this anymore. I asked him one question. Do you like watermelon? He thought I'd lost my mind. Here's what watermelon does. And this is going to sound too simple to be true, but I'm going to prove it. Watermelon is loaded with something called citrulline. Your body takes that citrulline and converts it into nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide like the master switch for your blood vessels. It tells them to relax, open up, and let blood flow. No nitric oxide. Your blood vessels stay constricted. Like trying to water your garden with a kinked hose. Doesn't matter how much water pressure you have if the hose is pinched shut. Now here's where it gets interesting. The journal Urology published a study in 2011. 24 men with performance issues took citrulline for 1 month. 50% reported significant improvement. Not placebo, real, measurable results. I told James to eat 2 cups of watermelon every day for 30 days. Week 1, nothing. Week 2, he called me. I think something's happening. Week 3, he cut his medication in half and got better results than he'd ever gotten on the full dose. But here's what shocked both of us. 6 months later, his cardiologist ran a full panel. Blood pressure down 15 points. Cholesterol improved. The doctor said his cardiovascular system looked 10 years younger. The watermelon wasn't just fixing one problem, it was healing everything. Now, before I show you the second fruit, I need to tell you something that's going to make you angry. Most men over 60 are accidentally canceling out these benefits every single morning. They're eating fruits that destroy nitric oxide production, damage blood vessels, and make everything worse. And they have no idea. I'm going to show you which fruits in a minute. But first, you need to know about the second miracle fruit. Because this one has the strongest scientific backing of anything I've ever seen. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, all of them. David is 64. High-powered executive. When he walked into my office, he looked like death. Gray skin, exhausted. Told me he hadn't been intimate with his wife in 18 months. I asked him when's the last time he ate a blueberry. He couldn't remember. Now listen to this. The British Medical Journal tracked over 50,000 men for 20 years. 20 years. The men who ate flavonoid-rich foods like berries had 21% lower risk of performance issues. But here's the crazy part. The effect was strongest in men under 70. If you're 60, 65 right now, you're in the perfect window. Here's why berries work. Your blood vessels have this delicate inner lining called the endothelium. When it's healthy, it produces nitric oxide naturally. When it's damaged, everything breaks down. Berries are packed with compounds that actually repair that damage. They reduce inflammation. They make your blood vessels flexible again. They're like sending a repair crew into your circulatory system. I put David on 1 cup of mixed berries every morning. Just 1 cup. He didn't believe it would work. But 30 days later, his wife called me. She said, I don't know what you did, but I have my husband back. 60 days in, David had energy he hadn't felt in years. 90 days in, everything was working again. He came back and told me something I'll never forget. I thought I was broken. I thought my body was done, But I wasn't broken. I was just starving my blood vessels. Now here's the third fruit. And this one you probably already have in your house. Citrus, oranges, lemons, limes. The quick version, your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen. Collagen keeps your blood vessel walls strong and flexible. Most men over 60 are running on empty. One orange a day, lemon in your water, that's all it takes. Plus, citrus has the same flavonoids as berries and helps produce nitric oxide like watermelon. It's a triple threat. So here's your daily protocol. 2 cups of watermelon, 0.1 cup of berries. 1 orange or lemon water throughout the day. That's at 0.3 fruits. Every day. But now we need to talk about the dark side. Because 3 other fruits are destroying everything I just told you. And most men are eating at least one of them right now. Let's rip the band-aid off. The first killer fruit is one you probably think is healthy. It's on every diet plan. Doctors recommend it. Fitness people eat it for breakfast. Grapefruit. Now, if you're not on any medications, grapefruit is fine. But if you're over 60 and taking any medication, blood pressure meds, cholesterol meds, performance meds, grapefruit is poison. Here's why. And this comes straight from the American Medical Association. Grapefruit blocks an enzyme in your liver called CYP3A4. When you block that enzyme, your medications build up to dangerous levels. Some days your pills are 3 or 4 times stronger than they should be. Other days, the grapefruit interferes with your blood pressure medication and causes crashes that make performance impossible. Grapefruit interacts with over 85 different medications. If you're on pills, this is Russian roulette. Switch to oranges, problem solved. Second killer fruit. And this one's sneaky because everyone thinks it's healthy. Dried fruit. Dates, raisins, dried figs, all of it. Here's what nobody tells you. When you remove water from fruit, you concentrate the sugar. A handful of dates has more sugar than a candy bar. And sugar is the enemy. It spikes your blood glucose, damages the lining of your blood vessels, kills nitric oxide production, and creates inflammation everywhere. There's a study in diabetes care from 2013. Men with poorly controlled blood sugar have 3 times the risk of complete performance failure. 3 times. Dried fruit might as well be candy. Treat it that way. Third killer fruit. Canned fruit in heavy syrup. This is dried fruit's evil twin. You're getting natural fruit sugar plus corn syrup on top. Some cans have 40 grams of added sugar. That's more than a Coke. That sugar creates chronic inflammation in your arteries. Your vessels get hard, clogged, damaged. Blood can't flow properly anywhere, especially where you need it most. If you're buying canned fruit and syrup, stop today, buy fresh. It takes 30 extra seconds to wash some berries. Those 30 seconds could save your life. Now let me tie this all together with one complete transformation. Robert is 62. Former marathon runner that doesn't smoke. Barely drinks. Does everything right. But 3 years ago, things started failing. Medications helped a little, not enough. His doctor wanted to keep adding more pills. Robert found me at a seminar and told me he was ready to give up. We made 3 changes. Cut out grapefruit, dried fruit, and canned fruit and syrup. Added 2 cups of watermelon, 1 cup of berries, and 1 orange every single day. Nothing else changed, just the fruit. Week 4, he felt different. Better energy, better sleep. Week 8, his wife noticed changes. Week 12, his doctor ran a full cardiovascular panel. Everything improved, blood pressure down, cholesterol better, inflammation markers dropped significantly. But here's what gets me. 6 months later, Robert sent me a card. It said, "You gave me my life back. My wife and I just booked a trip to Italy. First real vacation in 5 years that I feel alive again." 1 year later, he's off most medications. His cardiologist calls him a model patient. And he tells everyone who'll listen about 3 simple fruits. This isn't magic. Your body isn't broken. You're not too old. You just need the right fuel. Performance issues aren't about what's happening below your belt. They're about your cardiovascular system, your blood vessels, your circulation. Fix your circulation, everything else fixes itself. So here's what you do right now. Before your next grocery trip, write this down or screenshot it. Buy watermelon, buy mixed berries. Buy oranges and lemons. Clear out the grapefruit if you're on medications. Throw out the dried fruit. Dump the canned fruit in syrup. Commit to 90 days. Track how you feel. And I guarantee your body will respond. Now look, I know some of you are thinking, this sounds too simple. If it was this easy, everyone would do it. You're right that IT is simple. That's why it works. That's also why nobody's telling you about it. There's no money in simple. Big Pharma can't patent a watermelon. Your doctor gets nothing for telling you to eat berries. The entire system profits when you stay sick and dependent on pills. I'm showing you a different way. So drop a comment right now and tell me, are you going to try this? Have you been eating any of these killer fruits without knowing? I read every comment and I want to hear your story. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more men who need it. 60 plus isn't slowing down, it's leveling up. Subscribe for health tips that help you thrive, not just survive. You're not going to want to miss it. Click that bell so you get notified the second it drops. Your body wants to work. It wants to be healthy. It wants to perform. Stop sabotaging it. Start supporting it. 90 days from now, you could be a completely different man. The only question is, are you willing to make one simple change? Your transformation starts at the grocery store. I'll see you in the next video.